Welcome, students, to the first major section of our syllabus. Since we have mastered the foundation of economics, the focus of our previous unit, we will spend the next several units learning about the field of microeconomics. The purpose of this section is to identify and explain the importance of markets and the role played by demand and supply. The failure of a market system are identified and possible solutions are examined throughout this unit. If you recall from our previous lesson over economic themes, in a capitalist economy, market forces answer the three fundamental economic questions of what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. So what exactly is a market? A market is comprised of all of the buyers and sellers interacting to satisfy a goal. The basic market model of demand and supply assumes that the goal of sellers in their market interactions is to maximize profits, and the goal of buyers is to maximize their utility. Demand and supply analysis is a useful tool for explaining and understanding economic events. In a free market system, markets tend to be quite competitive as buyers and sellers compete for scarce resources and products. Because of this competitiveness, sellers cannot dictate price like in a monopoly, because then a competing firm could take away their customers by lowering the price for its products. This is referred to as a price war. In a market economy, price is very important when it comes to incentivizing the flow of resources as well as the actions of producers and consumers. Price signals the suppliers as to how much of the good should be put on the market. A shortage in goods and services will drive prices upwards, whereas a surplus in goods and services would usually put downward pressures on prices. Equilibrium point is reached when supply equals demand, and consumers and producers both benefit equally. The concepts of supply and demand and market equilibrium will be explored thoroughly throughout this unit.